In Hokkaido, Japan, a skier tumbled into a hidden waterfall. Sean Toms was skiing on March 4th when he fell nearly 20 feet into a hidden hole in the ground caused by a natural hot spring. Toms was able to climb out uninjured.